right, today I'm going to show you how to use a Beko Dryer. Right here I have a Beko Dryer in front of me, and I'm going to show you how to use it. But before we get started, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so I have the Beko Dryer right here, and I have all sorts of controls in here to go over this. All right, so the first thing you're going to do is go ahead and add your clothing to the Beko Dryer. All right, so I'm going to add my clothing that I just washed from my Beko washing machine to the dryer. So once you have all of that in there, you're going to want to make sure that the lint is clear from the lint filter. And just go ahead, open it up, prop it open like this. Try to do this with one hand and get all of the lint from out of the lint trap, the lint filter. And once it is, close it back in, make sure it snaps. Now to separate it, you just go ahead, come right here and pull it apart like that and remove the lint from inside of it. And when you're done, close it, put it back in there. Make sure you have all of the clothing in there. And then you're just going to go ahead and shut it. And you'll also want to make sure that the secondary filter is clean. Now to get to the secondary filter, you're going to go ahead and pop this open, and you're going to unleash these latches and pull this out. And you're going to want to make sure that all of these filters are clean, because if they're not, filters right here are not clean, it will affect the dryer. So I'm going to go ahead and close this up, put this back into place, and get started. Now, this right here, this particular Beko Dryer, it does condensation, so it has a water collection. Make sure that it is empty or there's not a lot of water in there. All right, because this is where the water collects from the clothing. Once it's empty, go ahead, put the collection container back in there. And next, you're gonna wanna go ahead and turn the Beko Dryer on. So right here, it's a selection of all sorts of different types of options right here. So right here, in order to turn it on, you just simply turn the knob like that. To turn it off, you take it to the off position again. To turn it on, you go ahead and make your selection. So there's a selection, there's programs right here. Right here it says Express Super Short. That is dries the clothes supposedly within 30 minutes. And you have some Camisil. I'm not exactly sure what that word means, but I think it's something pretty cool. It has a jeans option. It has the baby protect. It has mixed clothing. It has a delicate option, and it has program a tempo, which you can program a tempo. I'm not sure exactly what that is. And then there's a refresh. So if you just want your clothes to be refreshed, if they've been sitting in there, they've been dried, and you just want them to be refreshed with some heat and tumulation, you go ahead and hit the refresh. And then here goes the Pronto Stero. So that's not exactly sure Pronto Stero means, but there it is. But this is all sorted for cotton. So right here, coton, right here. So this is for the drying cotton. I'm assuming that this is the quick dry for the cotton, and this is the normal dry, escudo armadillo, and here is for extra dry cotton. And you have the same selections for synthetica. All right, for synthetics right here, you have an option for synthetics. And then if you go down, you have an option for sport clothing. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and twist this and go over and go to mix, because of the mix of clothing right here. And I'm gonna go over here and we're gonna see this right here. All right, so this right here are options right here. In order to lock and unlock the dryer, you simply hold these two buttons down. You see that? It counts to 3. And to unlock this dryer, you simply hold it down like this for 3 seconds and it unlocks. And now when you're ready to start, you press this button right here and it starts it. This right here, it will terminate the cycle right here if you need to terminate the cycle and start over. I'm gonna go ahead and start it by pressing that, and it starts it. Now to pause it, I will simply go like this, and it pauses it, and to get it back started, go like that. All right, so that's how you operate the Beko Dryer. I hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.